Hello, everybody. Welcome to another installment of AI Solves Advent of Code. And this time we will look at the day 5 entry. I will see how AI fares against it. So I will just, as always, copy the whole problem description and put it here. Can you solve C#? So now we're getting the input. The solution. Let's see if it has embedded the input from the sample, so it's not completely accurate because it doesn't even read the input. But we'll see if it works. And it doesn't work yet, so there are some problems with it. Okay, so you'll need to do several things. So first off, we need to tell the AI to not use a hard-coded input, but read the input from a file. So now it should be reading from a file. But clearly the current solution is not correct because it does not it doesn't really read the instructions from the file, it reads them from the console, so we need to tell it to change that. I will just send it the full sample file. I will just also tell it that and the number of stacks you can so let's see. Okay. So now the input does not really take into account the possibility that there are more instructions. So Let's see if this helps. This didn't really help because it just tries to read all the lines as the input stacks. Okay. Yes, stop reading the crazy diagram when we encounter empty line. That's better. Oh, it didn't complete. Okay. If it's empty, then we'll break. This is a problem. It's trying to... Yeah, okay. So it's trying to read everything again until it's big and skips the lines that don't start with move. So that's reasonable. So now for the reading of the stack. Okay. The previous code was read. I just let it work because I scrolled and maybe that caused the problem. Just fails to complete, but okay, let's see if do we have the rearrange crates? Yes, we do. So I will just take this thing, remainder, paste it. So that's our current state. And it fails because the crates okay, so this fails because it tries to the stacks are like character-based list of a stack of characters, but it seems not to understand that the stacks are vertically aligned, not horizontally. Okay, let's try to explain it. really simple terms, what happens? Okay. Right. Still trying to read it row by row. Which doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh, this is more interesting now. The code is becoming a little bit more complicated. But let's see. Let's copy the code that reads the crates. Oh, right. Like this. Let's run it. Oh, there is an error still. Right, so it's just that there is repeat of that for... Oh, okay, let's just ignore it and use this. We have a problem here. So now the rows contain... Right, so it contains this. Okay, it cannot go... Alright, input lines. The rows array must end with the empty line. So it should be... index of the empty line. Should it be that? So there's one line, second, so 0, 1, 2, minus 1. We're getting there. Slowly. So now the number of rows. Okay, so it's... not sure if this is right, but we'll see. Definitely this time the AI is having a problem reading the inputs. Definitely it's much harder for it to understand what exactly we are trying to do. So this is odd. Because we cannot really use this approach, indexing by the first grade and last grade. We need to take the white space into account. How many white spaces are there? Okay. So this is clearly not correct, because this is not correct. It's trying to count the number of stacks by checking the first line and the number of brackets, which is doesn't make sense. Okay, let's see if it can handle this approach. I'm really hand holding now the AI. It's not really it figuring out the solution. I'm really trying to help it as much as possible to get to the right implementation. And I'm afraid we got into a stuck situation because right. It seems we're gonna get kicked. As there is a lot of requests coming into ChatGPT, and it's now often crashing, so it seems like we won't be getting a response for this prompt anymore. Okay, there is one. Yeah, there's still a chance. So now, let's see. Okay, this is better. So now we have the correct number of stacks. So we got further. But it still is not correct. I think the reading of the crates themselves needs to be improved. Okay, let's run it. So yeah, exactly what I feared. So the number of stacks is now right, but we now need to read the stacks from top to bottom. This is right. The number of rows seems to be a bit too high. Because we're trying to, it's trying to read this line, which is not right. On the line before, Okay, now it's fixed this problem. But we're still not done yet. The problem with reading the crates still remains, so we need to continue fighting. Let's replace this. Now it's crashing on row 2. So we should tell it to read in a different way. Instead of using like the brackets as markers, it should just use the number of stacks and get those indices of each stack on the line. So it will be on index what? Stack 2. on index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Task 3 on. Is it? So it's basically number of the stack multiplied, no, index of the stack multiplied by 4 plus 1. So it's 8, so 9. So 1, yeah, that makes sense. All right, that's better. Yes, that's right. So if the crate is not empty, add it to the stack. This seems very promising. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, almost there. Okay. Cannot eek. Okay. Hopefully it will not crash now. We're very close to a solution that it would work. So it'd be very nice for it to finish successfully. Come on. Don't give up. Ah. Please, 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 please. Isn't finishing the output. Okay, let's see, I will copy. Copy this part. Is it this? Ah. Ah, this doesn't finish the output. That's so annoying. Okay, but we got this part. Okay, apply the move instructions. Okay, so now we should have it all. Interestingly, it forgot about the rearrange crates method. It's no longer using it, which is not a problem for me, just interesting note. Yeah, and also it's trying to recreate I. Huh. It's confused. Okay, it should use step item 2. Which doesn't seem correct either. Let's simplify things a little bit, just so we are doing the rearrangement steps. So this part seems to be correct, like the rearrangement steps are making sense to me, for reading them at least. And it should be an int, not har. So now, for now, we should be quite close to something useful. The reading of the stacks might be correct now. I will just run it to see if that's true or not. Whatever, just A, for example. So the stacks look how? NZ. There's nothing in stack 1. Oh, okay, so this doesn't work either. For the reading of the stacks is now correct, but it seems it's not. Oh! No, it's not correct yet. What is this? We get this. We get Z. So that's stack 0. Why this specifically? Huh? Ah, okay, N. That makes sense. There's nothing now. Okay, and now this should be on stack 1. Okay. This should be M, not... What is happening? So, positions of the stack is not 3, but 5. No. The positions are not correct. Ah. Okay, so let's first place this rearrangement steps. Okay, so we have the rearrangement steps now compiling. Like this part seems to be meaningful, so I like that. Let's go back for us. Okay, so we get the new implementation of the positions array. Okay, now we should possibly have something nice. Okay, you can see I'm really hand-holding the AI. It's not really its own invention anymore. I'm trying to really explain to it what's going on, what to do, how to do it. So it's not ideal, but just want to see if we can get there by trying real hard. So okay, so now we should have the correct input in the stacks. So NZ, DCM, and E. Okay, so stacks are now correct. So now the rearrangement steps. Just to see if we are reading them correctly. So the steps are move. Let's see the. So let's see the input next to the code. So now we have the steps. Move one item from 1 to 0, from 0 to 2. Okay, so this is also correct. So now the only thing that's not working is the move instructions themselves. But we are so close. No, so definitely not AAA. I was because yeah. Let's focus. Okay. We're thinking here. Really hope that we will get there because we're so close. And if it would break down now, I'd be very sad. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Come on. Oh no. Okay, we're back. We're still outputting the read part. We don't need that, but whatever. Skip. No! Oh no. That's not good. That's not good. This error usually means that it's all over. Oh no. This fatal error. Oh no, no, no. 500. Nobody likes 500s. Let's try and further for just I will tell it completely what we did so far. And then I'll ask it to continue the discussion. We'll see if it works. Whoa, what is this? Oh, I copied too much. Okay. There should be some kind of thread ID so you can continue working on some code. Okay, this seems to be working now again. Okay, so this code doesn't work and we need to understand how to fix it. This code needs to pop store Let's see. Okay. That seems promising. Because previously it wasn't really doing the right thing. It was just popping and not inserting, and it was weird. But this looks like something that we could work with. CMZ. That's correct. CMZ. That's the right thing. So let's try. Let's try the actual puzzle input. Oh my god, if this works. Oh my god, it worked. Well, it was a really hard thing to do, but we finally have the right answer, which is here. Okay, it was very, very good job. So now let's try our luck by adjusting the solution for this second revision of the problem. Whew. Okay, now it's gonna be different because we need to... Oh, that's very cool. Because if you saw my previous video, my own solution to this particular problem of advent of code, you saw that I created a temp stack to which I pushed the crates and then unpushed, or basically popped them out from the stack into the target stack. And this is exactly what the AI generated. Exactly the same approach, which is super cool. Like, how can you know? It's amazing, you know. I'm just mind blown by this. Okay, I will do day 5, 2. Copy this here, and I will replace the apply steps by this. And let's see if this will work. Okay, it forgot to create the temp stack, so it forgot to declare the variable. Maybe because it was declared a buff and some other in the remainder of the code, but let's ask it to declare it. Ah, right. That's it. All right. Let's copy, paste, and let's run it. Oh, there's something wrong. Oh, right, we're declaring the I variable, but it's fine. You see that? It works. It works. So it's DMR, DFR, HHH. So finally, after a lot of handholding and helping, the AI solved day 5 of Advent of Code 2022. So this is very cool. I will push these new files into the repo, and you can check the solution on my GitHub and see what's the complete code that the AI generated. But so far, we have been able, with more or less help, we were able to solve those all the days up until now, and we'll see if day 6 will be any different, and if we will be able to solve it too. So thank you for joining me for this significantly longer session than before, but I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see notification when it's published. So see you, have a great day, and bye bye.